The term from scratch is commonly used to describe starting or building something entirely new, without relying on existing resources, pre-made components, or prior work. It emphasizes the idea of creating something from the very beginning, often implying a hands-on and self-sufficient approach. When undertaking a project from scratch, it means starting with the most basic elements and building up, rather than relying on pre-existing structures or solutions. This approach can be applied to various endeavors, including software development, cooking, entrepreneurship, and DIY projects. In software development, building an application from scratch involves writing all the code and designing the architecture without using existing frameworks or libraries. This approach allows developers to have full control over the development process, tailor the software to their specific needs, and create unique and customized solutions. However, it often requires more time, expertise, and effort compared to using pre-existing tools. Similarly, in cooking, preparing a dish from scratch means using raw ingredients and creating the entire recipe without relying on pre-packaged or pre-cooked components. It involves sourcing the individual ingredients, measuring and combining them, and cooking the dish from start to finish. This approach allows for more creativity, customization, and control over the flavors and quality of the final product. From an entrepreneurial perspective, starting a business from scratch involves building a company or venture without relying on existing infrastructure, funding, or established networks. It requires entrepreneurs to develop a business plan, secure funding, establish operational processes, and build a customer base from the ground up. This approach offers the opportunity to shape the business according to their vision and values, but also presents significant challenges and risks. Taking a DIY, do-it-yourself, approach to projects often involves starting from scratch by gathering the necessary materials and tools and following step-by-step instructions to create or repair something. This can range from building furniture, crafting handmade items, or even renovating a house. The satisfaction of starting with basic components and personally constructing something can be rewarding, but it requires time, patience, and skill. The concept of starting from scratch implies a sense of autonomy, self-reliance, and creativity. It allows individuals to have control over the entire process and take ownership of the final outcome. While it can be challenging and time-consuming, it provides an opportunity for personal growth, innovation, and a deeper understanding of the subject matter. However, it is important to note that starting from scratch does not necessarily mean reinventing the wheel or disregarding existing knowledge and resources. It often involves building upon previous experiences, learning from existing solutions, and incorporating best practices. The approach should be seen as an opportunity to create something unique, tailored, and personally meaningful, while also leveraging relevant knowledge and expertise. In conclusion, starting from scratch entails building or creating something entirely new without relying on pre-existing resources or solutions. It can be applied to various domains and emphasizes autonomy, creativity, and a hands-on approach. While it offers opportunities for customization and personal growth, it also requires significant time, effort, and expertise. By combining individual vision with existing knowledge and resources, starting from scratch can lead to innovative and rewarding outcomes.